How to block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend. So if you want to block someone on Monopoly Go who's not your friend, then first you just need to simply update the application. So once you've updated the application, you can open up the application and log into your account. You can log in with your Facebook account because that's the easiest method or the more prepared method. Now if you want to block someone on Monopoly Go, what you need to do is just head over to the friends section, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have all of your friends. You can accept your friend request, or you just need to simply go with the leaderboard option, which is on the right side. And here I can see my local friends or global friends or every friend, right? So you just need to simply tap and hold on to any one of the friend, and you will have remove button, and then you can tap on remove and you'll be able to remove that person as a friend. But if you want to block someone that's not your friend, then you don't have that option here. But what you need to do is simply go with your Facebook, which you have used to link your Monopoly Go account, and then search for the person. Go with the search and search for the person who's not your friend, and from here you can simply block this person. Tap on block and again tap on block, and once you block this person, then you'll be able to block someone on Monopoly Go who's not your friend, because you don't have any other way. You just need to simply go with your Facebook if you've connected your Facebook with your account, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.